Hello again, it's those Guillories, yeehaw! PLaymobil horse family Foster. Okay.
Actually, yesterday you got the harness.
Yes, it's Chris Adrian's turn.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was saying. Because I got the harness, it's Adrian's turn. For 19.
Oh gosh. One of those little butterfly things.
For the reins?
Yeah.
And a bucket.
And
So she got more of these little things for the reins. Still no horse for her, and the bucket with the little sticker you can keep the stuff in. There's like little holes in the bag so they can breathe. So little butterflies can breathe or whatever they are. Butterflies. Okay.
Breathe too, guys.
Yeah.
this horse hasn't been taken out yet.
Okay.
It's still in there somewhere.
So that was Advent Day 19. Are you getting excited? It's getting closer to Christmas. Ding dong. Oh. Okay, so if you liked our video, and like Christmas, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to us. Bye-bye. Santa Claus.